Hey guys, this is Andre Digital. Welcome to the channel. So today's video is going to be an absolute game changer for all you business owners and digital marketers out there. Why? Because today we're going to be diving deep into the realm of digital marketing services and how they can supercharge your business and help you make money online. So like, comment, subscribe, grab your notepads, and let's get started. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So, first things first, let's talk about the power of digital marketing. In this age, in today's digital marketing age, having a strong online presence and brand is mandatory, non-negotiable. Whether you're a small local business or you're a big company, digital marketing helps you level that playing field and opens up so many opportunities, helps you exposes your business to insane amount of traffic daily. All right, so those are the benefits. That's why digital marketing is important and it's a very lucrative business to help you make money online. So let's go, let's get started. This is the outline, this is the overview of what we're going to go through today in this video. So for example, we could start with search engine optimization, work our way down to pay-per-clicks, PPC. We're going to talk about local SEO. We're going to talk about web design. We're going to talk about social media, which most of you guys are familiar with, like advertising on Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. And finally, my personal favorite, we're going to talk about Google My Business. All right. So, like I said, let's go. Let's get started. Come on. All right, guys. So, let's kick things off with search engine optimization, SEO. So if you want your business or website to be found online, SEO, search engine optimization, is the sauce, is your friend. It's the secret. It is gold. Like literally, it's the magic wand. It's that speed needle that gets the car moving. It literally pushes your website higher on the search engines. So yeah, that's one of the first methods that you could use to make money online. So for example, I'll show you what SEO is. So say you're an electrician or a plumber or a mechanic. When you type that in to the search engine on Google, you have all these ads. Like these are listings. If you check up here, it says sponsored. That means that it's an ad. These companies are paying to be listed here. So, down here you have the map packs. This is the local SEO part of it. But down here, all this is like the organic listings. So all this, the way websites go up and get indexed and sorted out in the Google search engine, when someone types it in, that is SEO. That's the process. The process of getting a website from the last page to first page, that is SEO. So that is the first method of making money online using SEO optimization, search engine optimization. All right. So next up, we have pay per click, PPC. So with PPC, um, have you ever wondered how you see like when you like just like the ads I showed you? You see these ads right here? That right there is PPC. They're sponsored ads. So these businesses will go on here, Google Ads, and you see how it says stand out with Google Ads. For whatever matters the most, make it easier for potential customers to find your business with Google Ads. So there's tons of ways to advertise on Google Ads, but you have to pay. And every click or every call you get charged for. So that's the only downside, that you show up immediately, you do stand out right away. You show up right away, but it costs money. And especially if you want to be on the first page, depending on your industry, it varies, but it does cost money. So but I mean, it has its benefits. So that right there is pay-per-click setting up. So you could sign in, like if you have a Google account, you can sign in, you can start advertising through Google. So that's one method of making money online. So you could advertise businesses that need these services, and you advertise them through Google, and you charge for your services, but of course you charge them for the budget that they're going to be using. So that's the second way to make money online. All right, guys. So, up next is the third method of making money online, which is local SEO, local search engine optimization. So, like earlier that I showed you with the mechanic example, you have the listings. The first top listings are the paid ads. Now, right here in the map pack, that right there is what I mean. So, like, there's a list of all these businesses that provide the service, and from one, two, three, four, five, and so on, the list goes down. So if you're at the bottom, you want to be at the top. You want to be at the top because that's where most of the traffic goes through. So the process of taking a listing that's at the bottom and helping it rank to the top, that's local SEO. And that is the third method of making money online. But why I said it was tied with Google My Business and these kind of go hand in hand is because if you like these listings right here, uh, these listings all have profiles, and you make these profiles through Google My Business and Google Business Profile. Get listed on Google. List your business on Google with a free business profile, you see? So you go here, like I said, if you have a Gmail account, you just sign in, uh, go through it, go through the process. It's really, really simple, and you make your profile for your business. Once you do that, you'll start showing up here, and you might show at the bottom. So that's what I mean. That process of taking your business to the top, that's local SEO. So that is the third method of making money online. And this is tied to Google My Business because there's a lot of businesses that need this service specifically that don't have a Google business profile. So you could easily help them make a profile and charge for that service. So it's really, really easy. And that's one of my favorite methods to make money online. Now, the fourth method is web design. Web design is making a website for a business, for a client that requires a website to be made. You can go ahead and charge for that service. And yes, so there's plenty of website builders out there that you can use. So, for example, GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of them. You know, you can website builder. There it is. Create a website. Like, just they're templates, but for beginners, this is a good place to start. There's also Wix. There's Squarespace. There's tons of them. If you just Google them in, they'll come up. And yeah, like I said, there's plenty of services, plenty of businesses, I mean, that require this service. So that right there is the fourth money to make, fourth way to make money online. And then the fifth way to make money online is social media marketing, which is what most of you are familiar with. So Facebook ads, and there it is. Same like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever social media platform they're using, you can make ads and charge for that service. So there it is, guys. That's 5 ways to make money online. Start making money online today. And yeah, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and check out all my other videos where I go through each and every single, where I go into each and every single one of these methods individually, really detailed. So yeah, check it out. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.